So here's the charger, the adapter that we bought to be able to charge our e-bikes on. The other end of the plug is right here. We're going to charge it from right here. We brought our charger. We're going to get everything set up and show you guys. Alright, so I got the charge point card here. We're going to go try it out real quick. It's authorizing. It's unlocked now. It's all plugged in. Okay, you go grab the charger, please. Alright, so we plug in the battery first, and then we go plug this in, and we have power. It's charging. As you can see right there, it's charging. The red light's on, charging. Alright, give you guys an update once we charge it for a bit. Alright, so we're going to show you guys the details of what, because we've been charging for a little bit. Charging for 7 minutes, almost 8 minutes now. That's how much we've used. This is a free station. We're drawing in about that much power. So we'll update you guys in a moment. Still going, charging over here. Guys, so I unplugged it from the thing. We're going to go plug it back in. There's our charge session. Let's plug it back in. It's back in to the machine. Saying it's ready to be charged for our next vehicle. Alright, subscribe guys. We'll see you in the next one.